Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today's project is the little cute gift tags and happy birthday. As you can see, we've got 4 different colours and kind of 4 different styles. I have used this lovely die set which will replicate the paper doilies, as well as happy birthday die set, and also the paper that you can find on the link down below. I put all the equipment that I use and all the tools that I used, I'll just link down on the info box on the video. Right, so let's get started. I just want to show you actually in detail what it looks like. And then you've got the bottom bit to write your message or your name. I use some of these little cute ribbon as well, which I was going to show you in a bit. Let's start off with a piece of white cardstock measuring 5 centimeters or 2 inches if you work in inches. Oops. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to score it and then cut it. And then I'm going to use this punch. This is actually from, from Stampin' Up. So that create this little edge. So what I do, just put the cardstock in it, and I'm going to turn it over so I can see when I'm punching. And that's your edge. And then from what I do to create this little banner here, I'm almost you again. I'm using another Stampin' Up punch. So before I do that, I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna cut around 10 centimeters. And then again, I'm gonna use the tags, the punch with the ribbon. Once the base of the tag is done, we're going to take another piece of cardstock and we're going to score it. It's the same size, so it's 5 centimeters. So I'm going to score it first so it's easy to cut it. And then again, I'm going to get this, the punch. Punch it. And then again, trim the base at 10. Yep, like so. Let me just get rid of this. So now we've got the base of the 2 tags. With the paper that you can find listed on my Etsy shop, we're gonna get that paper and another punch. Again, this is from Stampin' Up. And then we're simply gonna punch about that. Okay, like so. And now we're gonna die cut the happy birthday and the little doily paper set. So I'm gonna go and get me big shot. I'll just come back in a second. Right, got the big shot with the dice on the bottom. Just put the paper on top. Do a sandwich with the plate. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pass it through twice. So one this way. Let me see if you can see what I'm doing. So this is one. And then I simply go back. Sorry if it shakes. And that. That's it. And that is simply came out like that. So I'm going to get rid of this. So now we've got, see how easily it came out. I don't know if you can see it. That's it. So that's the happy birthday. Now, what I bought and I'll put the link down below as well, is a silicone mat and this little tool from scissors to get rid of the little bit that otherwise would be a nightmare to do it. So just put it on the bottom, just pass it through. Now you see, got rid of all this. I am very sorry, but the camera it just simply died, so I missed a bit when I die cut the paper doily. So now we got back to these pieces, and I did exactly the same with using the die cut and the pink paper, and I cut it in half. So once we got the blue tag, again we're going to do the same thing to create the banner on the bottom. So punch, and we ended up with these pieces in here. So on a previous tag, which I've done a while ago, I've used the gold paper, which I quite like the contrast with the white, pink and gold. So we're going to do the same for this tag. So I've got this paper, this is from Hobby and Craft. So this is a really glittery gold paper. I got glitter literally everywhere. So I'm going to punch the scallop with a scallop shape. That. So you can see it's glitter. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's glitters everywhere. Right, so what we're going to do now, we just simply assemble the tag. So just put that back. So what I would like to do is kind of like a 3D effect. And place the paper doilies on the back. Maybe we can do something like that. It's quite cute. Right, so get glue. This again is a tacky glue from Hobby and Craft. This is dry clear and it dries so quick as well, which is brilliant. I highly recommend that. So just gonna put a bit of glue just on the corner there. And then because it's wet, it gives me that extra time to maneuver it a bit. And then do the same with the paper doily. So we get the two halves. Just put a tiny bit of glue there. Get that. And kind of like trying to center it so you follow that sort of shape. That's one. And do the same with the white one. Just a bit in there. Falling like so, and I'm gonna press it just a few seconds like so. Now what we're gonna do while this dry, I'm gonna get the happy birthday. I'm gonna just put it on my hand so you can see guys what I'm doing, and then gently just put some glue on the letters. You don't have to do all around the writing, you just need to just a tiny bit in the middle, and then you simply press it there like so, and then that's the back of the decoration. Just put a bit of glue in there, and the way I do that to the tag like so, just press it for a bit, just a few seconds. Alright, let's let it dry for a few seconds. Let's do some stamping. So I've got these just for you, if you can see it, just for you stamp set. Black ink, tap 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 tap. Get the base candle. I would like it to be in the middle, and once I'm happy with that, just simply press it. That's it. And then I've got some ribbon. I want to show you this from Amazon as well. Sorry, just put my head around. gorgeous, gorgeous ribbons. I'm gonna leave you the link down below. Right, so I like the blue one. Let me see if I can get. Oops. Let's do maybe the blue and the pink. Yeah, let's go for blue and pink. Right, so we just need just about that length. And we do the same for blue. And then put that on top of the white base. And then put the two ribbons together. Feed it through. Oops. And then just about that. And then just get a small piece of. I got this wool. I like the colour combination, and I made a little pom-pom from another project, which I will show you soon. Look how cute it is. So let's get a piece of that. If I can find the edge. That's it. So cut it about that. Put this back in the bag, and then you just simply put this together. I'm terrible with ribbon and knot and stuff like that, so you need to bear with me. Hope I don't get my hair in camera. Brilliant. So I do a knot first, and then I create a bow. Like so. And then I do some trim a bit of that. So that's it. That's our little tag, just for you. And this is the other one I made earlier. Oops. And that. Right guys, that's it for today. So hope you like it. Again, all social media links down below. Just give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.